Hi friends, it's Wendy with H2O Bungalow. I'm so excited you're here today. Are warmer weather and nicer temperatures motivating you to get outside and enjoy your outdoor space this year? Me too. But when you step outside, do you have a mess of a yard like I do? Let's fix this. So I want you to join me and 3 other creative DIY bloggers as we all take on our neglected outdoor spaces in this year's Ryobi Outdoor Overhaul 2.0, the Hangout Challenge. We've got weekly giveaways just for participating, and the grand prize winner for the best voted overall makeover wins up to $500 in Ryobi outdoor products. Entering is easy, my friend. All you need to do is submit a before and after photo of your outdoor makeover and be active on Instagram. You can find all the details in my blog post on h2obungalow.com. Search Ryobi Outdoor Overhaul. Okay friends, I love these kind of challenges. They're wonderful for getting us motivated and getting things done early in the season. I cannot wait to share with you the ideas I've got for my backyard makeover and what I'm going to do for the Hangout Challenge. My backyard faces the bay, and it's a wide open space that doesn't feel inviting. My outdoor overhaul will include 2 new garden areas around the dining table and the teak sofa set. I've also got lots of neglected spaces that need to be tidied and cleaned up. I'll tackle it all with my favorite Ryobi outdoor products. I've just unpacked my 20-inch cordless lawnmower, my super powerful jet fan blower, and my 40-volt expander with a cultivator, an edger, and a string trimmer. Since I'm in cleanup mode, I'll tackle the walkway to the backyard too. That dead tree will be history with my new 40-volt chainsaw and pole trimmer. I'll use my Ryobi power washer to make the stained concrete look new again. We've got 4 weeks to make over our own neglected outdoor spaces into hangouts we'd be proud to have our family and friends visit. So remember, you'll find all of the details in my blog post at h2obungalow.com. Search Ryobi Outdoor Overhaul.